Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save a Word document to your desktop. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up in the top left corner of Word and go down and select Save As on the left panel here. On the left side, select the Browse button. And on the left side again, go ahead and underneath this PC, select Desktop, and then name the document whatever you want. And you'll go ahead and select Save. And now if we close out of here, it should be on our desktop. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you on in the next tutorial. Goodbye.